If you've been wondering how to install YouTube Music on your Windows PC or laptop, you've come to the right place. Watch the video to know more. For more features, you can subscribe to YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium. Here's how to do it on Windows. Open YouTube Music in a Chromium-based web browser like Google Chrome. Click the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the browser window. Now select Install YouTube Music from the list of options. Now click on Install in the pop-up window. YouTube Music should now be installed on your Windows PC. You can launch it from the Start menu by searching for it or finding it in the list of installed apps. Run it and enjoy your music from the desktop app of YouTube Music. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos handpicked just for you.